Good afternoon. It is January 27th, 2015, and it is the day of the blizzard of 2015, which is ongoing now right here in central New England, eastern Massachusetts. I've pulled out the old scary snowblower, the vintage 70s Ariens snowblower. It has more chains than Jacob Marley, as I affectionately refer to it as. And as I've mentioned before in my previous posting, most of the safety features are probably non-existent on this anymore. You can start it up, it'll run right down the driveway. Still, I have the old note here that this is a functional snowblower and to please not mess around with it. We have a gun on site here, down in the tucked away, and unlike this, the gun actually has safety features, and we also have an old chainsaw. You don't want to play with that. But we're going to fire this guy up, and just on the other side of this door, I haven't been outside yet, we're going to tackle the snow, and we'll see what it can do. So let's see here. As I've mentioned here, this is a 5 horsepower, 70s vintage Ariens snow throw, and usually I use a good shot of this material here to get it going. Just basically ether in a can. And this is a cold start, first one of the season here. It's been a rather calm, quiet winter here in New England. And what we'll do is we'll put a little shot of this in here. The valve is open. We'll close the choke and give her a little goosing here. Let me take the sign off here. Geez, it's been diligent for about 5 years sitting there. The kids don't even play with it anymore. All right, let's see what happens here. Well, strike 2.